So just nose breathing will get you more oxygen by 10 to 20%. So very, very important. So how to breathe functionally? So we've already done a little bit of diaphragmatic breathing. So the ribcage movement, the lower back movement, and the movement shouldn't be pushed or forced. It should be gentle little movement and barely visible. Okay, so less visible is better. So we actually do not need to force that breathing, because forcing breathing will constrict the blood vessels, and that will cause the problems with oxygenation of our organs and tissues. So starting with diaphragmatic breathing, lower ribcage expansion, and the nasal breathing on inhale and exhale. And breathing should be light, gentle, noise-free, regular, and with natural pause after the exhalation. And the pause after exhalation it will take time to achieve. Breathing. So when the individual is breathing in excess metabolic requirement of the body at the time, that's considered hyperventilation. And so overbreathing reduces the delivery of oxygen to tissues and organs. That's why we have to be very mindful to not get the person to hyperventilate for too long, because that might just cause that lack of oxygen or reduction of oxygen delivered to the brain, which that's opposite what we want to achieve.